How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Amazon account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Amazon. Enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is, in the search bar, you simply have to search for Amazon Reload. In here, you'll get to see Amazon gift card balance reload. Click on it. Now what you want to do is scroll down, and in this amount section, you simply have to enter the amount that you have got in Vanilla Visa gift card. Let's say I want to reload $70. Now click on Buy Now. At the very top, you'll get to see where it says Add a credit or debit card. Click on it. So now in this page, you simply have to enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Once you have entered all the details, tap on Add and Continue. Once you click on Add and Continue, your Vanilla Visa gift card will be added successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add Vanilla Visa gift card on Amazon account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.